Hello, good morning, guys. How are you doing? Hope you're doing great. Now, I want to throw more enlightenment about this strategy for better understanding so that you guys will know how this strategy works. Now, first of all, how did I know I'm going to buy? Now, take a look, guys. Look at what I did. First of all, I discovered that the envelope, first of all, what you should be after is the envelope. Envelope must be, if you are to take a buy trade, envelope must be around 10 and 20 level. It touches the 10 level and close above the 20 level. That's the first signal that you get. So the next one is the MACD. There must be a crossover on the MACD. Understand? Going upward. That's for buy signal. I'm talking about buy signal for you to get the signal to buy. Understand? So there must be a crossover in the MACD. So in the main chart, there must be the green must cross over above the red line, red moving average. Can you see that? Going up. Then your final confirmation is the RSI going above the 50 level. Can you see all before the RSI crossed over the 50 level? Other conditions has been met. I did not enter the trade. Because sometimes you enter the trade, it will start reversing. So I patiently waited for there to be a cross above the 50 level. That's my last confirmation. For there to be a cross above the 50 level. That was when I entered the trade. Though I even entered late. But I know that yes, I'm on the right track. And you see, guys, so that's for the buy trade. Then how did I know where to take my TP? I'll be taking my TP around there, this trend line. That's how I take my own trade technically. Understand? How did I draw this trend line, guys? Now take a look. I have to minimize this. I drew my trend line from this point. Can you see? I will delete this. Now, if you check my past trade, you see many trend lines. That's how I take my trade. I always use trend line to draw my trade. So, first of all, guys, you see that there is a breakout. Now, I did this trend line. There is a breakout from this point. I take my trend line for me to confirm. Now, I join this point. Can you see? I join this point to this point, guys. Can you see? Can you see? I joined those. Now, first of all, can you see it touches from here? That's number one. This is a. Hold on, guys. So, this is the first touch. Now, this is the second touch. Can you see? This is the third touch. After that, we had a breakout from this place. Can you see? It went above the trend line. Can you see? It went above the trend line, showing you there is a possible breakout in the trade. So, what did I do? Now, for me to know where to take my TP after confirming these signals, can you see? How do I know where to take my TP? Now, look at how I draw my trend line to know where to take TP. Now, take a look, guys. I have to minimize, or I go over to higher time frame, like say the 1 hour or whatever. If I cannot get my trend line from this this 15 minutes time frame, I will have to go over to higher time frame. So, but since I can see two touches here, now look at what I did. I drew my trend line from this point to, can you see? I place it at this place, then pull it down. Can you see, guys? Can you see that? So I have like about 2 touches. So this is the first one. This is the second one. Can you see that? That's the second one. Can you see that, guys? So I'm expecting price. Since I have gotten a buy signal from my technical indicators. Can you see how I combine both the trend line and the technical indicators? They both work perfectly. Now I join the two combination to give me perfect results. Now, since I'm having a two touches, for me, I'm doing this trend line to determine where to take my profit. So this is number one, this is the second one. So I'm expecting price to get to this place. Since it gave me that signal, I'm expecting price to get to that place. Can you see that, guys? Let's maximize that. So I'm expecting price to get to this trend line. Once it gets to that place, I'm taking my profit. Can you see, guys? It's simple as that. Once price get to that trend line, I'm taking my profit. Though most time when price get to the that trend line, there might be a breakout. There must be a reaction. There might either be a breakout or a retracement. It might touch this. It might touch this trend line and start coming down, or it might touch it, or it might touch the, or excuse me, it might touch this trend line and start coming down, or it might touch it and start going up. It depends. But what thing I know that is that there must be a reaction from this place. So this is how I determine my TP. Can you see that, guys? That's how I determine my TP. It's simple as that, guys. I hope you all are making good profit from this wonderful strategy. This is a strategy that I used to raise $5, $10 to higher amount of money that is unimaginable. And it's been doing great fine. You don't have to be rushing into trade, in and out of trade. But with patience, in a day, this strategy can generate like about 10 signals. The strategy is not 100% perfect, but I will tell you that the strategy is over 98% perfect. In 2 days, I generated close to $300. Close to $300. And yeah, as of yesterday, I made the withdrawal of $180. How much did I deposit? Just $10. Just $10. You might be looking at these losses. Yes, they are little amount of money, but the result tells for itself. There's no trader that will tell you that they don't incur losses. But if you know what you are doing, the result will tell for yourself. And you see, in just 2 days with $10, I generated over close to $300. As of yesterday, I made withdrawal of $180 with $10. That's why I'm telling you guys that anything is possible in trading. Anything is possible. You can see the way I left the trade to be running, because I definitely know that it is coming to this trend line. It is coming there, it's going there. And now take a look at the current trade. And you see, with just $20, I'm close to doubling the account. And you see, there's nothing hidden here. If you come, most people say that I have a lot of indicators in the charts. It's better for me to have a lot of indicators that gives me confirmation when to trade and when not to trade, than having an empty chart and my result is full of losses. Stick to what works for you, guys. If A is working for you, stick with it. If B is not working for you, go over to A. Master it, practice it, master it. Know your act. And the sky is your limit. Imagine making $100 with $10 in a day. It's possible. It's possible. I've been doing it over and over and over again. And it's been working, guys. It's been working, giving good results. So this is how I make my trade. Can you see, guys? Hope you guys understand my teaching here. Hope you guys understand my teaching. If you don't understand, watch the video over and over and over again. You guys will get to understand what I'm saying, guys. It's very simple. It's very, very simple. Just be patient. Every good trader must learn how to exercise patience and wait for the right time to enter. And once you enter, the sky is your limit. There will be nothing like retracement to kick you out of the market. So I want you guys to comment, give me your feedback anywhere that you are encountering any difficulty. I'm always available to attend to it and put you in the right way, guys. I love you, and I want your feedback will give me joy to post and explain more on how this works. I love you guys, and safe trade, guys.